Presenting the Kia 2020 Niro LXS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: automatic with auto shift transmission, 4-wheel ABS brakes, dust sensing headlights, interior air filtration, privacy tinted glass, rear bench seats, 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, intermittent window wipers and remote power door locks. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.